In a previous video, I've already discussed about the summation operator up to the operator residual results of divisio. Now we will try to modify. So, there later. Input narrative to the value of a, and for the value of b. Okay, just go ahead. Let's do it like this. Variable a, the same as, well, here we add script or command. Which for its b variable, we just copy and orders or script variable a. We modify. This we replace. The value is b. Well, now let's run in the terminal. I'll try. We run Don't forget, first saved the script by pressing Ctrl+S. Okay, now try S. Are you? Well, here. Tertius enter the value a We enter value, for example 90. Enter the value b. We put the value 80. Then automatically will come out results ranging from addition to the rest of the divisio, like this. Well, that's the way. We add narrative input on all operators, starting from the summation operator up to the operator, the rest of the divisio. Hopefully tutorial this is useful. Thank you.